Master Time Management, GMAT and GRE Success Secrets. Hello learners! Today, we're diving deep into one of the most critical aspects of test taking: time management. When you're facing challenging questions, particularly in exams like the GMAT and GRE, how you manage your time can make all the difference. Let's explore some strategies to help you maximize every second. The GMAT and GRE tests are timed, and there's limited time per question. Running out of time can lead to rushed decisions or unanswered questions, which can negatively impact your score. By mastering time management, you can ensure 1. Every question gets adequate attention. 2. You have time to review your answers. 3. Stress is minimized as you aren't constantly watching the clock. Start by knowing the structure of the test. GMAT. Both the quantitative and verbal sections have 31 and 36 questions respectively, each with a 62-minute and 65-minute time limit. GRE. Each section, verbal reasoning and quantitative reasoning, is 35 minutes with 20 questions. Tip: allocate a set amount of time per question. For instance, for GMAT quantitative, roughly 2 minutes per question. For GMAT verbal, slightly under 2 minutes per question. For GRE sections, roughly 1.75 minutes per question. Not all questions are created equal. Some may be more challenging for you than others. If you find yourself stuck, 1. Mark it and come back if time permits. 2. Avoid spending too much time on a single question. Remember your time allocation. Practice isn't just about answering questions. It's also about improving your timing. 1. Take timed practice tests to simulate the real experience. 2. Monitor which sections or types of questions slow you down and work on improving your speed there. 3. Gradually, you'll notice your timing instinct improve. Trust it. Stay calm. Panicking only eats up precious seconds. Use scratch paper. Quickly jotting down thoughts can help streamline your problem-solving process. Watch the clock, but don't obsess. Occasionally glance at the time, ensuring you're on track. Answer every question. Especially on the GMAT, there's a significant penalty for leaving questions unanswered. If running out of time, make educated guesses. And there we have it. Remember, mastering time management is just as important as mastering the content of the test. With consistent practice and the strategies we discussed today, you'll be well on your way to achieving your best score. We believe in you, and we hope this video has been instrumental in your journey. Happy studying!